Good morning, teacher. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I'm good too. Did you finish your homework? Yes, ma'am. I completed last night. Good. Please submit it on my table. अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है ना तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो. इस तरह की वीडियोस कहीं नहीं मिलेंगी आपको. Sure, here it is. Excellent. Your handwriting has improved. Thank you, ma'am. I practiced every day. That's a great practice makes perfect. Hey, are you early today? Yes, I came early to revise the chapter. Oh, which chapter? The science chapter about plants. Oh no, I forgot to revise it. Don't worry, I will help you before the teachers starts. Thank you, you always help me. We should revise together every day. Yes, that's a good idea. It will make study easier for both of us. True. Let's start now. Student, please settle down. Yes, ma'am. Today we will discuss photosynthesis. Ma'am, may I answer? Of course. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their food using sunlight and carbon dioxide and water. Excellent. That is correct answer. Thanks for explaining earlier. No problem. Can anyone tell me why photosynthesis is important? Ma'am, because it gives us oxygen to breathe. Correct. Well done. May I ask a question? Yes, go ahead. Why do plants look green? Good question. Plants look green because of chlorophyll. Oh, I understand now. Great. Let's write down in your art notebook. Done, ma'am. I am still writing. Please wait. Okay, I will wait. Thank you, ma'am. I finished. Now let's do a quick quiz. Yeah? First question. Which gas is used by plants during photosynthesis? Student. Carbon dioxide. Very good. Second question. Which part of the plants absorbs water? The roots. Correct again. Third question. What do plants releases during photosynthesis? Oxygen. Perfect. You all are doing great. This quiz is fun. Learning can always be fun if you focus. Ma'am, may we have one more question? Sure. Name the energy needed for photosynthesis. Sunlight. Exactly. Ma'am, may I read the next paragraph? Yes, please go ahead. Read from book. Photosynthesis helps maintenance balance of oxygen in the atmosphere. Good reading. Now, who will explain this in their own words? I will try, ma'am. Go ahead. It means plants are important because they give us oxygen. Well explained. Ma'am, may we draw the diagram of photosynthesis? Yes, that will our activity. Oh, I laugh during diagrams. Me too. Take out your pencils and rulers. Ready, ma'am? Ready to. First, draw the plant. Done. Now, draw the sun over it. Done, ma'am. Good. Now, label sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen. This is easy. Yes, because you are paying attention. I completed my diagram. Very good work. Here is my map. Excellent. Time is almost over. Away. Don't worry, we will continue tomorrow. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, thank you. Remember, we have a test next Monday. Okay, ma'am. Don't forget to revise every day. Yes, ma'am. We will revise together. Alright, class dismissed. Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye, student. Thank you for helping me today. Anytime. Let's meet in the library tomorrow. Good idea. We can prepare for the test together. Sure. See you on tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you.